Let's talk about three tile edge options. The first one is going to be a bullnose tile, and that one is where it matches the tile that you are putting in the rest of the area, but it's a rounded edge. The second option is going to be a pencil tile, and that is exactly what it is. It's a thin tile that goes up against the side of the tile and is about as thin as a pencil. Now, with this option, it's getting harder and harder to find a pencil tile that will match the tile that you're putting in your area. And it's not that great of an option. It's actually kind of going towards more of an outdated option. Now, the third and my favorite is going to be the Schluter metal trim, and it also comes in plastic, depending on which look that you're going for. But it's very important to look at these options and decide which one is best for you. But this is one of the first questions that I always ask in a design consultation. And a lot of people don't do that. You have to really consider it because if you don't pick the right tile edge, it can really damage the look of the whole shower that you're going for. So I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips.